make me get more of the wax because then these are going to stick way too much. They're going to pull all the wax out. It's really satisfying doing this skinny strip. Oh, bling bling. Insert dish clatter. Christian, what you making? You making some for me? I know he's making coffee. One of these got stuck. Oh boy. And keep going. This thing's freaking huge. Conch, do you like my art? No. Here it spells out ch, ch, ch. Tristan. Just got my order in the mail. Woohoo! Thank you for ordering. Woohoo! 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 What you making? Ramen. What is that trickling sound? Or is that a boiling sound? Maybe he's making an egg. Where's mine? Just kidding, I can't eat till 1 o'clock. But hey, that's just in half an hour. Me, or my same, I think I'm missing the conversation. Wore a normal bra today. Wish I wore the sports style one. They're way more comfy. My same mate Dan used to read his nephew, who's now 22, bedtime stories, and his nephew wouldn't rest unless the books were read in Super Mario voices, which he told Charles Martinez when he met him at London MCM Comic Con last October, and paid £40 to have him say, "Wahoo, it's Dany," and got it filmed. Oh my god. One of my teachers' names one of my teachers' name was Mr. Eid, but my parents kept mistaking it for Mr. Bean. Let's just say that was hilarious. I'm also Idina Menzel, so I can do a pretty good Elsa, but stop fussing over me. Let it go, guys. Hey, Pink BB Mint. The bra is off. Freedom!